Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Children, in this session, I am going to teach you how to make an origami fox. Can you see the fox here? This is made out of a paper. This technique is called origami. It is a Japanese art of folding paper into a shape or sculpture using certain folding techniques. For this, first take a square sheet of paper like this. Here I have made with craft paper, color paper. Now I am explaining with a white sheet. Okay. First take a square sheet of paper, fold into half. Okay, like this, fold into half. Can you see, children? Then fold again from the other side. Like this. We have fold one side, then you have to turn this and fold again into half from the other side. Now open it. So we have folded from both the sides. Now we have to fold along the diagonal. We will get a triangle shape. Okay. Diagonal means from this corner to this corner we have to fold. Okay. This is first diagonal. Then open it and you have to fold along this diagonal. So again we will get a triangle shape. So can you see here, children? We have got creases like this. Two straight lines and here two diagonals. We have got creases like this. Then you have to bring one corner to the center point. You have to bring this corner to the center. Can you see, children? You have to bring this corner to the center and crease like this. Then turn over. Now you have to bring, see, turn over. Now you have to bring this side to the center line. Like this you have to fold. You should not fold this corner, okay? You should just fold like this. Then you have to bring this side to this side. I'll explain again. See? Can you see this line? You have to bring this side to this line. Like this. The two lines should meet. Then you have to crease. And again you have to fold this one backwards. Okay, we will get like this. See in the video, children. You have to fold backward again. Then again we are going to repeat the same step this side. So we have to bring this side to this line. like this. When you bring, it will automatically come and meet this point. Then you have to make a crease. Then fold it backward. Till the center line, you have to fold. Can you see this? You have to fold like this. Now, we are having shape like this. Now, you have to bring this end to the top corner and you have to crease. See here, children. Bring this end to the top and you have to crease and fold backwards again. See here. This is the end. You have to bring this to the corner, top corner. You will get like this. You have to press. You will get like this. Then you have to fold it backward again. So we are going to do the same step the other side also. So bring the other end to the top corner. So bring this end, can you see, children? Bring this end to the top corner and you have to crease like this. Then fold it backwards. So you will get a pattern like this. Then here along the center line, see children, this is the center line. Along the center line, you have to fold it backwards. Now bring this corner to this end. We are making ears of the fox now and crease. I will show you again. When you turn, you will get like this. Now you have to bring this corner to this point. So from here to here, you have to hold and then crease a little. You should not crease fully. Repeat the step, this other side also. Bring this corner to this point and crease. So you got a ear shape. Now hold the ears and the center part together and fold backwards. See children, you have to hold the ear and this part. Again this ear and the center part. Then you have to fold it backwards. So we will get head of the fox like this. Then you have to bring this space inside. You have to tuck that inside. See, you have to bring this piece inside. Repeat the step the other side also. Now here in this tail region you will get a side like this. You have to fold this side and you have to fold again backwards. Okay. Now you have to unfold. You will get a W pattern here. See children, can you see? You will get a W pattern here. Along the W pattern, you have to fold again. So, we got the chain. See children, along this pattern, gently push. Along the W pattern, we have to fold. Can you see? Along the W pattern, we have fold. Now, fold the tail in a Z pattern. Now, you have to draw the eyes and nose. Origami Fox is ready. To get our online lessons and the latest updates, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.